Now what if I want to know every single commit or every single git command that has been written in the git bash, or let's consult the log file. And to do that we will put command git log, hit enter, and will show us first git of my commit. This is the message of committing two MD5s that we are write before. My commit with two MD5s, and the first commit with single MD file, which we did in our previous video. And this in the author we found the name and the email of the same person who did this commit, and also who did this second commit. Those are the information that we put in our first configuration of git with the git config global user.name and user.email. Now what if I want to know or to learn more about the details of every commit? So let's do a clear, and let's do this command line git show. It's like a git log but with more details. It's like a detailed git log. We hit enter, and now we see the first we see the logs with details. So for example, our first commit, it's a hello world message, and those are the second file, the two files which we push and add, and everything, basically everything which in the in the red color, it's been updated, and what's in green, that's it's not been updated. I was just searching for the message that we write in the git commit. I just found the second one, my commit with two empty files, and I'm looking from the first one, which called, I think, just first. No, it will shows up. It's not important. And now to exit that git mode, we need to add, it's like the vi in Linux. If you're familiar with command in Linux, to exit we need to enter git. So we need to hit that button Q. We need to write Q so that we can exit that command or that interface of log show. So now we know the difference between git log and git shows. So basically git shows is a git log but with some other details. That's all for this video. See you next.